Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to unlink PUBG Mobile account from Facebook. So we can actually do this within the Facebook app. So let's open that. And from here, click on the menu option at the bottom right, which is with your profile picture. Let's scroll down and click on settings and privacy right here. Go to settings and let's scroll down until the your activity section, which is right here. And under here, let's tap on apps and websites. From here, you might be asked to log in, so just do that. Once you have logged in, you should be able to see the apps and websites you have connected to your Facebook account. And just look for the PUBG Mobile app within this page and let's click on it. And from here, just simply click on remove at the top. And you can also opt to allow Facebook to notify PUBG Mobile that your login connection was removed. Or you can also turn this off by clicking on this checkbox option and just click on remove once again. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.